You and my name is Chandrika. I'm going to teach you mathematics and as usual other subjects. And what's your name?
Manish.
And your name? Likit. And your name Hanish. Okay. Then you which subjects you feel both are difficult? Which subject? In other than languages, which subject? You feel it is very difficult to me. I can't able to manage. No, other than languages, is it maths or physics? Max. And you? Max. Which topic?
Like geometry and
Geometry.
construction.
Yeah, same. Geometry only, right? Constructions and everything. And other than remaining topics, you both feel like comfortable with remaining topics. Okay. So now I'll going to teach you ratio and proportions. Okay. So you both are okay with ratio and proportions, right? So tell me, what is the ratio?
Is to
Other than that, is to is the only one for ratio, or is there any meaning?
like 60
Why we are using that is to
equal.
for compare? For to compare that we can use that ratio symbol. So suppose if you have 10 chocolates, okay, then you have 15 chocolates. So when I compare Likit and Hanish and Likit, right? So when I compare Hanish with Likit, how can I say? So 10 is to 15.
Is to
3.
is telling to.
So yes. So ratio means we can use the symbol is to, which means A is to B. So suppose Hanish has 10 chocolates and Likit has 15 chocolates. How can I compare both of them? Compare Hanish is to Likit. So what is the answer?
2 is to 3.
Yes, 10 is to 5 is equals to 2 is to 3. So same. Do you understand how 2 is to 3 came? But you didn't tell the answer. He only answers. How 2 is to 3? They answer. You please keep quiet and you have to tell the answer. See, by simplifying this ratio, we'll get this ratio. Okay? Yes, 5 twos are 5 threes are. So we can simplify. This is not a simplification. When we simplify this, we will get this 2 is to 3. So 2 is to 3 is equals to 10 is to 15. Sometimes we call this as proportion. Proportion is nothing but same ratios. Same ratios is nothing but the proportions. Okay. Then how we can, this 2 is to 3, how we can compare this one? Means Hanish has 2 by 3 part of chocolates of Likit. Right? Because Likit has 15 and Hanish has 10. How we can compare in words means Hanish has 2 by 3 part of chocolates of Likit. Okay? You understand? Then I will go to another concept. Suppose I have one book which cost around 10 rupees. Okay? Hanish has the book which cost around 10 rupees. Then Likit want to buy the same books, same 5 books. What is the cost of these books?
50.
How can you know?
Because we have 5 10.
Yes, exactly. So 10 into 5 is equals to 15. Can we write this one into proportion form? Can you guess? Can you both of you guess? How can we write this in proportion form? See, 1 is to 10 is equals to 5 is to 50, right? Right? Then when what I said, when two ratios are same, we can write it as a proportion. We can call it as a proportion. So can I write this one into proportion? No? Why?
Because not, numbers are not.
No. Proportion means ratio. When ratios are equal, we can write it as a proportion. See, A is to B is proportion to C is to D. Okay? How you can say A is to B is proportion to C is to D? When A into C is equals to B into D. Okay? Okay? You understand? When we call it as proportion means when A into C is equals to when A into C is equals to B into D, then only we call it as proportion.
Okay.
Okay, see now I can write this into proportion form. Let's see how we can write. So I will take 1 is I and B is 5. Why I will take B only here? 5 only here. Because these two are books. You understand? These two are prices. Okay. So I will write books here. 1 is to 5 books. Because I told you have one book. The same books 5 are want to buy Likit. So hence I write same books are here. 1 is to 5. Then I will write prices. What the cost of one book?
10.
Exactly. And what's the cost of 5 books? 50. Yes. Now we can see 1 into 10, 5 into 50. So since the prices are the same. So that's why we can say when ratios are equal, we can write it as a proportion. And we have another method for to find that one, that is called unitary method. Unitary method. So see, I will give another question. You have to solve. Okay. 3 books are 54 rupees. What's the cost of 5 books? Do. Whenever you put a pen and pencil, then only you both get answer. Not by thinking. Maths is always practice. Otherwise, you won't get the answer. Try.
270.
270. How you get? 270. Wrong. Okay, I will explain. Let click it has to do. You're not getting. Yes. Now I will explain. See, here what I tell, one book cost is equals to 10 rupees, right? 5 books cost is equals to 50 rupees. Okay? Why don't you get from one book cost from this? Then it is easy to find the 5 books cost, right? So, from 3 books we have to find one book cost. So, one book cost how much? 54 by 3. How much? 54 by 3 divided by 3. Do. You both know 3 table, right?
Yes.
Then do first. 18 exactly. So now one book cost is equals to 18 rupees. Then 5 books. Then it is easy to find the 5 books, right? 18 into 5. How much? 18 5s.
9.
You both are 6th standard, right? At least you both have to know up to 19 tables. 20 table is easy, everyone knows. At least you learn up to 19 tables, okay? Then only it is easy to calculate the answer in very fast. Otherwise, you will get it time like you both are doing. I saw you both are doing like this 18 into 5, 8 5 is 40, 5 1 is 5, 9. You both are doing this only, right? So it is better learn 19 tables, okay? Because you are going to upper classes, you didn't get a time to do like this. So you have to answer the fast, you have to do the answers in very fast way, right? Okay, you understand the ratio and what is the proportion, what is the ratio, right? Now I will tell you the terms. So A is to B is the ratio, right? What do you call A? A is called antecedent and B is called succedent. Because anti means ant. Whenever you know the meaning of anti means before. You know, when you will get a fever, we will take antibodies, antibiotic. Anti means before, pre. Okay, so it A is comes before before B. So we call it as antecedent. Then success. When success will come? After we make our hard work, the success will come. So after means it we call it as succedent. So just a trick. What is antecedent? What is succedent? We call. Do you understand?
Yes.
So that's why we call it as antecedent and succedent and unitary method. Okay, I will give two problems from your textbook only. I will see you will both will solve or not. Okay. A man, note down the question. A man has 250 ml milk and 1 liter of water. Now I want the ratio of milk is to water. Milk is to water. I'm asking milk is to water. Yes. Your answer? How you get 1 is to 4?
By 25 4 ja 100.
Yes.
21 25 1 ja 20.
Yes. How you get? What's the ratio? First you have to tell the ratio, then we will simplify.
1 is to
Not 1 is to 5. How we can write the, how you get 1 is to 4? Like writing 250 is to 1. Huh? Why you have to write 1000?
because it is
Yes, exactly. Because here I write liter. So whenever when you compare two things, the two things measurements are in same. Like suppose meters, centimeters. So we both have to write in same, either meters or either centimeters. So you can change it by liters. 250 is 1 by 4 liter, or you can write by liters like 1000 ml. Okay, milliliter. So in both ways we will get the same answer. So this is milliliter. So 1 4. 1 is to 4. This is milliliters. We can get in liters also same answer. See milk. How many liters? 1 by 4. How will get 1 by 4?
because it is 250.
Yes, exactly. So 1 by 4 is to 1. So same it goes to here, it is 1 by 4. So whenever the two measurements are in different, we have to change either milliliters or either liters. Okay. And I will give the last question to both of you. Suppose I have 1000 rupees. Okay. I want to share this to both of you in 2:3 ratio. Okay. I have 1000 rupees of money. I want to give both of you. But I don't want to give like 500, 500. I want to give 400 to you, 600 to you, or either 600 to you, 400 to you. So I make it in a ratio. I just simply write this ratio. How can I know how much this was I was giving to Hanish, or how much this was I was going to give to Likit? So this is one way of the problem. First, I will let you explain this problem. Okay. See, when the ratios are 2:3, we know what's the 2 plus 3?
5.
So first this is a Hanish one. Okay. So 2 by 5. Which means 2 by 5 part of 1000 I want to give to Hanish. Okay. And 3 by 5 part of 1000 I want to give to Likit. So let's we calculate how much Hanish will get, how much Likit will get. So what's the 2 by 5 part of 1000? How can we write 2 by 5 into 1000? How much? Do put paper, pen. 2 by 5 into 1000. See, first do with 5 table, okay? Let's first I will do. 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. 0, 0. How much 2 into 200? 2 into 200.
2 into 200.
Yes. 400. Yes. Then I want 3 by 5 part of 1000 to Likit. 3 by 5 into 1000. Same. 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. 0, 0. 3 twos are 6. 600. So how much Hanish will get?
400.
How much Likit will get?
600.
So if I compare Hanish with Likit, 400 is to 600. If you simplify this, you will get this one. Let's check. That's the magic. So when we are dividing a proportions, same type of proportion we will get. Again, this will we can write into proportions, right? If you write in proportion, we will get the same equal amount. What I told, if two ratios are in equal, then we can write it as a proportion. Okay. See, A is to B is one ratio, C is to D is one ratio. If both are equal, how can I write this one?
A is to
B?
BB.
Ah.
And C
Yes, we can write here like this, right? A is to B proportion to C is to D. Okay. If these two are equal, can I write this into this form? 2:3 is equals to 400 is to 500, 600. Okay, right? You are not getting the answer. Okay, just leave it. This one you can leave it. You can understand this one, right? How you get 400, how you get 600. So this word enough for you, both of you. I think for your class, I think this is enough. I will give another question to both of you. Can you solve?
Yes.
Same type of this question.
Yes.
Yeah. Not 1000, I will give 250. I have 250 books. Okay. I want to share these 250 books to both of you in 4:5 ratio. Okay. To Hanish and Likit. Can you tell how many books goes to Hanit and how many books goes to Likit? In the same way. Wait, I will change the ratio, otherwise it is very difficult to both of you, I think. I will write here 6. Okay, now you can do.
Not get.
You, Likit. I have 500 rupees and I want to share to both of you in 2:3 ratio. How much Hanish will get, how much Likit will get. Okay?
Into the 5.
5 answer.
5 into.
What?
5 into 500.
5 divided by 2 into 500
Okay.
divided by 5.
Good.
Okay. Here 3 divided by 5 into 500 means we have to do 3 into 500 or 500 divided by 5. Okay. This is numerator. This is denominator.
Okay.
Okay. When you are multiplication, these two numerators we have to do multiplication. When numerator and denominator it will be division. Okay. So 5 into 100. So 2 into 100, 200. 3 into 100, 300. Okay. You understand? You have to answer now. Okay. 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 Right. Okay, I will explain. Okay. See, what is the ratio? 4 is to 6. How many books I have? 250 books I have. I have to share in 4 is to 6 ratio. So this is for Hanish and this is for Likit. Okay. This is for Hanish. What I can do? 4 divided by how many total books?
250
4 plus 6 ratio
plus 6, 10.
10. Okay. So this is how we have to do. Okay. 0 0. What is 25 into 4? 2. 25 into 4. 4 5 is a. So this is 25 into 4. 4 5 is a
20.
20. Yes. 4 2 is a
8.
8 to 10. 100. So this is 100. Okay. So then what's the Likit ratio? 6, right? 6 by
10.
10. So same. 25 into 6. 2 is 25 into 6. 6 5 is a
30.
6 2 is a 12 plus 3.
12 plus 3, 50.
Yes, 150. So how many books Hanish will get? Likit will get 10 for Hanish, 150 for Likit. When we add 100 plus 150, what we will get? Yes, same. Did you understand? Now I will give another question. Okay. Likit, do you understand? So 2 is to 3. Do this one. They both bought 20 pencils. Write the question. See, Raju and Bharat are two friends. They both wanted to buy 20 pencils. Okay. Raju contributed 12 rupees, which means he gave 12 rupees. Raju gave 12 rupees and Bharat gave 18 rupees. How much money they both have total? Raju has 12 and Bharat has 18. And how many pencils they both want to buy? 20 pencils. So they want to buy 20 pencils with 30 rupees of money. So they wanted to distribute the pencils between them. So then Bharat said 10 pencils for each. So what Bharat said, so I gave 12 rupees and you gave 18 rupees. So we'll share the pencils same. Like I will give 10 pencils to you, then 10 pencils to me. But is this correct? No. Why? Because Raju gave 12 rupees, Bharat gave 18 rupees. 6 rupees gave, Bharat gave 6 rupees more than Raju. So they both didn't share the same pencils, right? Because you gave 10 rupees, Likit gave 15 rupees. You both get the same pencil, same number of pencils? No, because he gave 5 rupees more than you. So that's why this statement is right or wrong? Wrong. Why? Because he gave 12 rupees and he gave 18 rupees. So Bharat gave 6 rupees more than Raju. So how they will get the same number of pencils? So by seeing this we can say first statement is wrong. Okay. Then we'll see this statement. So what Raju said, okay, you will give 12 rupees. So you took 12 pencils and I will took 8 pencils. So Raju will get 8 pencils and Bharat will get 12 pencils. Now we can solve the problem and we will see how they will get the pencils and all. See how much of money? 30 rupees money and 20 pencils. So 20 pencils is equals to 30 rupees. Okay. What's the price of one pencil? Okay. So 0, 0. Which means 3 by 2. 3 divided by 2. We can do 3, 2, right? 2 ones are 2. So 1. If you put point here, we'll get 0. 0. So 2 5s are 10. So 1 pencil is 1.5 rupees. Okay. Yes, 1 rupee 50 paise. Not 5 paise. 1 rupee 50 paise. So 1 pencil is 1 rupees 50 paise. How much 12 pencils? 12 into 1.5. Okay. 5 twos are 10. 5 ones are 5 plus 1 6. 1 twos are 1 ones are 1 0. 6 to 6 plus 2 8. So here 1 is 1 number before point. Here also you can put 1 number before point. So 18 rupees. So 12 pencils for Bharat. He gave 18 rupees. So he will get 12 pencils. So this one is right. Then we will see for Raju. How much Raju will give? 12 rupees. 12 rupees, okay. 8 pencils. So 8 into 1.5. Each pencil is 1 rupee 50 paise. So how much 8 pencils? So 5 eights are 40. 1 eights are 8. So 0. 8 plus 4? 12. So 1 point before. So 12 rupees. How much 8 pencils? 12 rupees. Not each pencil. How much 8 pencils? 12 rupees. So how much Raju will give? 12 rupees. So how many pencils he will get? 8 pencils. Okay. How much 12 pencils? 18 rupees. How much Bharat gave? How much pencils he will get? How many pencils? 12. So what he said? Raju said 12 pencils for Bharat and 8 pencils for Raju. Is it right? Which statement is right in both statements? Second one. Why first statement is wrong?
Because he gave 6 rupees
Extra. Yes. So that's why this statement is right. Okay. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Then thank you.